Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to install application for your headphones Soundcore Q20i using your iOS device. You have to start by open App Store and now go to search. Click on search line and write Soundcore. Search, and you should install this application. Allow, agree and continue, skip, add device, allow. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!